the latest on the Sunanda Pushkar death mystery. Could that be resolved soon? The Delhi Police Commissioner B.S. Basi has said that the AIIMS report, the final report, is in, and it is their opinion based on an FBI lab report into the viscera that there is some element of poisoning in Sunanda Pushkar's system. She was found dead inside her suite at a 5-star hotel in January 2014, a day after she was involved in a spat with Pakistani journalist Meher Tarar on Twitter over the latter's alleged affair with Congress MP Shashi Tharoor.
देखिए, मैं जो FBI की रिपोर्ट के बारे में आप बातचीत कर रहे हैं, अब मैं जो आप कह रहे हैं कि डेंजरस केमिकल, इसकी मुझे कोई जानकारी नहीं है। FBI की जो रिपोर्ट हमारे पास आई थी, मैंने आपको उसके बारे में बताया था कि उसमें एक बात रूल आउट हुई थी कि इट कंटेन बिकॉज नन ऑफ द सैंपल्स कंटेन्ड एनी रेडियो एक्टिव मटीरियल। तो मैं इतना ही कंफर्म कर पाऊंगा कि कोई रेडियो एक्टिव मटीरियल नहीं है, बट सर्टन अदर फाइंडिंग्स वर देयर। वो सारी की सारी फाइंडिंग्स, पूरी की पूरी रिपोर्ट रादर हमने मेडिकल बोर्ड को दे दी थी। मेडिकल बोर्ड ने उसको बड़ी गंभीरता के साथ में एग्जामिन किया है। एग्जामिन करने के बाद में उन्होंने जो हमें रिपोर्ट दी है, दैट रिपोर्ट एज आई टोल्ड यू इज 11 पेजेस रिपोर्ट, और उसके साथ में देयर आर लॉट ऑफ एनेक्शर्स, जो तकरीबन 32 पेजेस के एनेक्शर्स हैं, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग। तो इसको अब एग्जामिन करेंगे। एग्जामिन करने के बाद में जो भी कार्रवाई आगे होगी, फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन, उसको हम करके फिर जल्दी से जल्दी फाइनलाइज करने का हमारा अटेम्प्ट होगी।
Right. Well, my colleague Ketki Angre now joins us for more on this. Ketki, the police commissioner essentially also saying that they can confirm it wasn't a natural death, but certainly somebody who's reasonably healthy and not very old. The police always indicate that the death may not be of natural causes. Now, in Sunanda Pushkar's case, there's an element of poison in the viscera that they're talking about, but this doesn't in any way confirm or deny the fact that somebody else may have had a hand in her death.
Well, that's right. In fact, death due to poisoning is the reason that's been given. That was also given in the AIIMS report, in the original autopsy report given by the AIIMS doctors as well. But death due to poisoning, it does not always mean that it's homicidal poisoning. There could be other reasons for it as well. Now, this is something that we have to wait and watch and see how the Delhi police really reads into that report. It's a 43-page long report, like the commissioner was pointing out. And is there more to it than meets the eye? What is the, what is the exact nature of the poisoning that was found in her body, in her viscera samples that was sent to the FBI last year? Now, this death, her death took place on the 17th of January in 2014, and there have been a number of twists and turns in this case. But at the end of it, the police finally registered a case of murder and are investigating it as a case of murder after it was found that her death was due to poisoning. So right now, the focus really will be on what those chemical elements are, what are the components which the police are calling as poison, and can they be homicidal, or can they be of another age, or can they be self-inflicted? These are the few questions that Delhi police will have to answer before this investigation takes the next direction. Maya?